Hello, Hope School. We are here with our very first book tournament bracket. We are in the Sweet 16, and today it is A Long Walk to Water versus Hunger Games. You are going to listen to the description of both of these books, and then your teacher will provide you with a link where you are able to vote which book should move on in our book tournament. Here we go. A Long Walk to Water is based on the true story of Selva, one of some 3,800 Sudanese lost boys airlifted to the United States beginning in the mid-1990s. Before leaving Africa, Selva's life is one of harrowing tragedy. Separated from his family by war and forced to travel on foot through hundreds of miles of hostile territory, he survives starvation, animal attacks, and disease, and ultimately leads a group of 150 boys to safety in Kenya. Relocated to upstate New York, Selva resourcefully learns English and continues on to college. Eventually, he returns to his home region in southern Sudan to establish a foundation that installs deep water wells in remote villages in dire need of clean water. This poignant story of Selva's life is told side by side with the story of Naya, a young girl who lives today in one of those villages. Book 2, Hunger Games. Could you survive on your own in the wild with everyone out to make sure you don't live to see the morning? In the ruins of a place once known as North America lies the nation of Panam, a shining capital surrounded by 12 outlying districts. The capital is harsh and cruel and keeps the districts in line by forcing them all to send one boy and one girl between the ages of 12 and 18 to participate in the annual Hunger Games, a fight to the death on live TV. 16-year-old Katniss Everdeen, who lives alone with her mother and younger sister, regards it as a death sentence when she steps forward to take her sister's place in the games. But Katniss has been close to dead before, and survival for her is second nature. Without really meaning to, she becomes a contender. But if she is to win, she will have to start making choices that weight survival against humanity and life against love. Please take some time to vote on which book do you think should move on to the next round.